Hello, so let's analyze the Euro USD. Let's start with the monthly. On the monthly, we can see that we've just mitigated this fair value gap and we are looking to start having our sales. You can see we are currently, this is our current range. We were correcting or having a pullback. And once we got here, we took this liquidity. It can be seen on the weekly. And then we started moving downwards. On the monthly, we can see that we mitigated this. This is the liquidity we were talking about. We took this liquidity, mitigated this fair value gap, and now we are looking for sales. So we can mark this out. We can mark our previous week high and previous week low. And then on the daily, we can see that Monday, we are definitely coming to mitigate these fair value gaps here. So I'm looking for a sell this week. We took this liquidity as well. Now we are coming to take the prior week low together with this mitigating these fair value gaps. So we also have to identify our buy side liquidity and our sell side liquidity as well. See on the one hour we are very bullish, we are very bearish. So let's look for our indication, and this is our higher. Let's see. Let's just mark out the market structure here. We can start with this. This is lower high, lower high. Lower high, lower low. Lower low. Another lower low. Another lower high here. And another lower high here. So if this is our indication, we expect a correction and then a continuation. So our current areas of interest, my first area of interest will be this, and this. So we are looking for price to come, hit our area of interest, and then continue with the trend. So once we get here, we can go to the 5 minutes and look for the market structure shift. In the DXY, we can we are very, very bullish, as you can see, and there's so many orders here, so we need to actually buy up until these areas. We just mitigated a fair value gap on the weekly. Now we are looking to buy up until I would like to see the price come here. Come to this high. Mark out the previous high, previous lows. This is prior week high. No, this is prior week low and prior week high. On the daily, we just made this low, which is a higher low than this one. So there's potential bullishness. We are looking now to make a higher high, maybe higher than this or higher than this. This is our confirmation that we've started being bullish on the trend. And let's mark out yesterday's range. This is our sell side liquid. This is, yes, sell side liquidity and our buy side liquidity. And the 1 hour, we are very, very bullish, making fair value gaps and water views. This is our higher high. Hello. We mark out our structures. This is, yes, this. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Currently we are higher low, higher high. So we are currently making the indication. This is our current indication, and we are looking for a correction and then a continuation. We could just make this our area of interest. This one, this order block would be our area of interest. Once price comes here, we wait for the market structure shift on the 5 minutes. And then we continue buying. Same case with the Gbpusd. So previous week high, previous week low. In the daily, you can see we just mitigated this. Now we are looking to come down and maybe come to these levels here. So we need to look for an entry, a pullback on the 1 hour. Now this is a bit clearer because it is yet to make a new low. So this is our lower high. Lower low. Another lower high here. And lower low. So our current structure is this high to this low. So we could look for markets to come here, around here. This is our area of interest. This is where we expect to see a reversal. So I could put an alert here. And another one here. Once it gets to this level, we can start looking for 5 minutes market structure shift and then prepare for entry. That's it.